Aurochs: A Journey into the Past. Embarking on a historical expedition, we encounter the formidable Aurochs, a breed that no longer roams the earth but has left an indelible legacy. Regarded as the ancestor of all domestic cattle breeds, the Aurochs once inhabited vast territories across Europe, Asia, and North Africa. These massive creatures stood up to 6 feet tall at a shoulder and weighed over a ton, boasting majestic curved horns that played a crucial role in combat, particularly during the mating season when males vied for dominance. The Aurochs held immense cultural significance for our ancestors. Their prominence in early human history is evident through Paleolithic cave paintings like those found in Lasko, France. These depictions serve as a testament to their symbolic representation of strength and vitality. Revered in ancient myths and folklore. Adapted to various climates and environments, the Aurochs thrive from the cold tundra of northern Europe to scorching desert of Africa. Their coat color change within the seasons, providing camouflage and protection against the elements. Despite their strength and adaptability, the Aurochs ultimately succumbed to extinction. The last known Aurochs perished in Poland in 1627. However, their genetic heritage lives on these modern cattle breeds, resulting from centuries of crossbreeding. Presently, there are endeavors to revive the Aurochs through selective breeding of cattle that carry Aurochs genes. Known as backbreeding, this project aims to recreate a breed that closely resembles the original Aurochs in appearance, size, and behavior. While these rewilding efforts have sparked controversy that signify a deep appreciation for the Aurochs' distinctive place in the history of bovinists.